that's not helping. Yes, you fuckers. Dude, I've been in the water the whole time. You shouldn't even be on the boat. That's just extra weight. I'm going to commandeer this boat.
Is it short enough where I can stand? Give me a rope, give me a rope.
You want to see me walk on this boat?
Give me a rope, give me a rope. Butt walking 101.
Yo, watch it.
Yo, give me a rope, give me a rope.
I'm caught up in it.
Yo, we're pushing boats back to shore. No big D's. Throw it. Save me, lifeguard, save me. Save me, lifeguard, save me. That didn't help at all. Yo, give me that, give me that. Give me that.
I'll put the tube on my back.
Yo, give me that, what you have.
Go, swim with it. No, it's on my waist. I got this.
I got it here. Give me, give me, give me, give me. I'm stuck on something.
Go a little bit further. There's a standby. But I love how Jared and Dana are still on the boat.
Oh! Oh, buddy! Oh, buddy! Whew.
Did you say it's technically not on the boat? What a fucking idiot. This rope just keeps coming. It's never ends.
Wait, I need a break, I need a break. Wait, break time.
Yeah, wait, fuck. I can't float. I can't breathe.
We got another man in the water.
Got another man out.
Another man in the water.
I'm tangled. Guys, slow it down. I don't want to. There's so much rope here. What even?
Save ourselves.
Fuck the boat. Abandon shit. What?
Hey. Hello, hello.
What am I pulling? I don't know what that means.
We got this on documentary right here. If we all go under, we're going under. He went under.
Captain, what's your orders?
Drowned. Let go.
Oh, down heave. Heave, motherfucking heave.
Amanda!
Hey, swimming, we plant our feet and pull. Yeah, plant, pull. It's almost a standby. It's like a mushy. Alright, ready? Like one, get a hold on to something. 1, 2, 3. Like that. Heave. Swim out and plant. 1, 2, 3. Heave. Swim out and plant. Heave. I'll need standby. Here's it. Wait. Someone's coming. Just pull towards it.
Oh, I haven't felt drowned in years.
Even drowned? What is that stuff?
We're halfway there! Look at all these fucks just watching us struggling.
Right, get off the boat.
Do they really?
I look like this, dude.
So far it's taken us 5 minutes. 5 minutes so far, we're gravy.
Grab the other black one, though. That one. Yo, are you guys just going in back? We're almost there.
Yo, let me get that for. Yo, here.
Yo, we can stand now. Just get in.
Yo, give me that. I'll haul it.
Yo.
Give me it. I'll haul it easily, since I can run.
We'll both use it. Yo, it's sand now. Here, give me that black one.
Look at Mary go! Look at Mary go!
It's sand, dude. What?
Yeah.
Yo, let go of that. It's underneath the boat. Yo, let go of it.
We got it! We're all good! We're good, thank you! Wait, break.
Yo, it's all sand. Get off.
Yeah, 5-minute break, I'm down.
If we just do it, I don't know why. I mean, it's right there. We're just walking now. So just.
They're all watching us like, what are they doing? We're halfway there! Whoa! We're living on a prayer! They probably think one of us is dying. Am I? My bad. We got the adventure on tape. Yeah, just stare at us while we move the boat.
Yeah, dude, get off.
Yeah, we figured that out 50 feet ago.
I know you like it from behind. No, not true.
We've got it all on tape, documentary.
Dude, that was the last days on Earth.
And we thought we were gonna go under. Oh, hey, come help girls now. I'm falling behind. I needed a break. Wait, I've got it.
It's like 2 feet high.
Shit. Niggas. We made it.
Yeah, dude. Squishy. I don't even know what I'm stuck on.
We made it! Damn. This is Narstat. It's on camera. 9 minutes. 9 minutes. Land! We found land! Damn! Damn, we were far out of shit. We were all the way back there. We were all the way back there. Oh, my legs are tired. Hey, Mayor's coming. Mayor's coming. Mayor. It's a 9-minute documentary. Yo, I can't feel my legs right now. I can't feel my legs right now.
Yo, is there an anchor?
It's all good. We were swimming miles away. Hold it, boat. made it. Damn, you guys left us. My legs hurt.